Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to cancel subscriptions on your iPhone. Whether it's an app you no longer use, a free trial you want to avoid being charged for, or just cleaning up unused services, I'll guide you step by step to make the process super simple. So, let's dive right in and take control of those subscriptions. Here's how you can cancel a subscription or free trial from Apple or the App Store directly from your iPhone settings. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone and tap your name at the top of the screen. From there, select Subscriptions. You'll see a list of your active subscriptions at the top, followed by any inactive ones. When you cancel a subscription, it will be canceled on all devices signed in with your Apple ID, including those linked to family sharing. To cancel a subscription, tap on the subscription you want to cancel, then select Cancel Subscription. A notification will appear, letting you know the expiration date. This date may be immediate or at a later time, depending on the subscription's terms. Tap Confirm to finalize the cancellation. If you want to review your subscriptions again, tap the back arrow in the upper left corner of the screen to return to the subscription list. Please note that canceled subscriptions might still appear under your active list but will now display an expiration date instead of a renewal date. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your subscription.